In a world where efficiency and innovation drive success, lean manufacturing has always been at the forefront of transforming industries. Lean manufacturing is more than just a methodology. It's a philosophy that values every team member, every process, and every product. But what if we could take lean principles even further? What if we could harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance our capabilities? I in lean manufacturing isn't about replacing people. It's about empowering them. It's about giving workers the tools they need to make smarter decisions, faster. Imagine a world where predictive maintenance prevents downtime, where quality control is more precise, and where supply chains are more resilient. AI helps us see patterns we couldn't see before, solve problems we couldn't solve before, and achieve goals we couldn't achieve before. Together, lean manufacturing and AI create a synergy that drives innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. Because at the heart of lean manufacturing is the belief that we can always improve, always innovate, and always strive for excellence. Lean manufacturing with AI, empowering people, enhancing processes, transforming industries. Lean manufacturing with AI, empowering people, enhancing processes, transforming industries.